Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can get approved in $20,000 worth of credit cards with using a soft pull pre-approval. Bad credit is okay for using this technique. So if you're new to my channel, I bring you information no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, I teach you guys constantly, if you have a credit score under 700, by adding unsecured lines of credit, which is i.e. credit cards, you can see an average increase in your credit score by 50 points without removing one negative item. You just got to be able to get approved for the card. So we use this method of using soft pull pre-approvals to do so. And if you want to learn more credit hacks on how to remove negative items off your credit report and increase your credit score and get more credit card approvals, I have a webinar coming up here in January of 2023. And if you guys are on the mission to improve your credit score, join me and I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So let's jump into this. Like I tell you guys, if your credit score is under 700 credit score, by getting added credit cards, it can increase your credit score. Also, by using these cards, it can help you with your payment history. Now, the key is if you get approved for these credit cards, make sure you don't use more than 10% of the credit limit on the credit card. And when that card reports, you should see an increase in your credit score. Now, you only want to add one card at a time for this to work for you properly, and you can get the most out of each card that you add on. With this video, all of these cards are also going to have a Visa or MasterCard logo option. So this is going to help you be able to use this card anywhere. So by doing holiday shopping, you can use this opportunity to build credit along with your shopping. The way soft pull pre-approvals work, it will help minimize you getting a ton of hard inquiries because it will show you if you already pre-qualify for the card. It is not a guarantee, but it shows that you have a better chance, like 90% chance of being approved for the card because you're in the customer base that they're looking for with your credit profile. So let's check out this with Amazon. They have a Visa signature card with Amazon. Now with this card, you'll be able to use anywhere. Also, it has rewards like 5% cash back when you purchase things on Amazon. Also, you can earn 2% cash back at restaurants and 1% at any other ride share or any other places that you're using, and 5% cash back at Whole Goods while you're grocery shopping. Now, they do have promotions going on right now with Amazon with the holidays and holiday shopping, so you can also get some additional financing. Now, with the Amazon Visa, this is going to be approved through Chase. So you want to make sure if you're going to get this option, you're going to need like a 670 credit score or above on average. And with Chase, they have a 524 rule. So you can't have 5 new accounts within 24 months or 2 years. So if you're not getting approved for this, they do have a store card option, but you can see if you pre-qualify. So the thing about Chase, it doesn't matter how good your credit score is. If you are within that range of having too many new accounts, they won't qualify you for that. So your second option is to go with the synchrony route of the Amazon approval, the store card. Now with the synchrony store card, with Amazon, you don't need a real high credit score with this card. You only need like a 580 credit score and you can get approved for the Amazon store card. And with Synchrony, they're going to pull from TransUnion. So you want to make sure you're in that category. Now with the Amazon Chase, they're going to most likely look at your Experian and Equifax scores. So with this option of the Synchrony, you can get in at a very low credit level and you can use this to shop and build credit. They're giving out special promotions for the holiday from November 1st to December 22nd. And they have special financing. So you can get this card limited with a 0 APR on some of these items. So this is a good opportunity. Now with this Amazon card, it do have a variable APR from 17.24% to 25.24%. So you keep that in mind, but this is a good card to help you build credit. And if you're trying to increase your credit scores, this can be a great option to see if you can pre-approve for this card. Now, remember, this is a soft pull pre-qualification. So what will happen is they'll see if you fit in their credit profile that they're looking for without a hard pull. It's just a soft pull to pre-approve you, but they will give you the green light saying yes, or they might not. If they say no, you don't apply for the card. If you get the yes and you choose to apply, it still will result in a hard inquiry, and that is how pre-approvals, pre-qualification work. Let's check out this next card. Now, the next card you can look into for a soft pull pre-qualification is Wayfair. Now, with Wayfair, you can get furniture, and many a times with these kind of cards, like I told you guys, they can give you a larger limit. Now, with Wayfair, you can see if you can pre-qualify, and they have special financing with no interest for 24 months, and they have two versions of their card, a MasterCard and a store card version where you can get cash back online purchases. You receive cash back, but with the MasterCard version, you can use this anywhere. They are backed by Citibank. And so with Citibank, for the MasterCard, you only need a 650 credit score to get approved. But with the store card, you can get approved as little as a credit score of 580 for Wayfair. So this can be a great opportunity for you to get a store card. And all of these cards I'm naming have no annual fees, but the APR on this card is at 28.49% APR. But instead of starting off with some of these like First Premier Bank, Credit One banks that have high annual fees, this is a great option so you're not hit with that. Now, the next option is American Eagle. They have a Visa Reward Signature card. Now, with this card, it is approved by Synchrony Bank, so it is easier to obtain. They give you rewards, and if you get the Visa version, you can use this card anywhere. And like I said, with the other cards, there's zero annual fees. So if you're shopping and you want to build credit, this is a great card to do so. So with the American Eagle credit card, and which is a Visa option, and they also have a store option. If you don't get approved for the Visa, which would require like a 660 credit score and up, you can still get the store option. And so with the store option, they're gonna pull from TransUnion. You can get the store option with a credit score as low as a 620 credit score, and both the Visa version And the store version is going to pull from TransUnion. So you want to check out your TransUnion scores. You want to hit apply, and then you will choose the card that you're applying for. And then you will go ahead and process the pre-approval. So you'll see if you're pre-approved or pre-qualified. And if you are, you can choose to go for this card. But always remember, with all of these options, it will result into a hard pull if you receive the card, whether you're approved or not. But if you pull the trigger, it will be a hard inquiry pull. Now, the APR for this card is 28.99%. Now, the next card on my list is Joss and Main. They also have two variations of their cards at their store. They have a MasterCard and a store card, and they give you benefits such as no annual fee, 5% cash back and rewards at Joss and Main, and 3% back on groceries. So if you get the MasterCard version, you would be able to use this card anywhere. So if you want to book a hotel, rent a car, you can do so with this version of this card. It's offered by Citibank being back, and you only need a 650 credit score to qualify for the MasterCard version. And with this card, you can get approved as a little as $580 for the store card. And the APR on this card is 29.99% with Joss and Main. They have items in the category of furniture, outdoor furniture, lighting, decor, pillows. So if you're shopping, this could be a good option if you're looking for a card for gifts, but you can get a MasterCard version of this card. The great thing with the MasterCard version of this card, you can use it anywhere. So this is a good option for people who are looking to build credit. Now, the last card on my list is Birch Lane. Now, they have two options of their card, which is a MasterCard and also a Star Card version. So with them, they're in the same category as Joss and Main. You can buy pillows, furniture, and they allow you to pre-qualify to see if you fit in the category of what they're looking for in a client before you create a hard inquiry. Then with them, they have rewards as 3% cash back on groceries. Also, you can get perks and bonuses at their own store. So you will be able to use this card anywhere. It's being offered by Citibank. And so with them, the credit score that you can get the MasterCard is a 650 credit score. And you can get approved as low as a 580 for the store card. Now, like I said, Citibank, they're going to pull from Experian or Equifax. So you need to know those scores. And this card has an APR of 29.99%. Now, if you guys have any questions, you can put it in the comment section, or you can reach me directly at my website. The links is always in the description of this video. Keep in mind, you guys, if you have any new negative information, I will wait before I pull the trigger, even if I'm being qualified, that hit my credit report. So just be mindful and check your credit scores before you pull the trigger. Now, hopefully this is helpful. So I look to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.